Hey y'all. So we are in the basement with Mr. Carter. Renovation realities with the Carters. So, I was upstairs. It's been rainy. It's been gloomy. It has not been a good day. And ice started falling from the sky. So yeah, it's been one of those type of days. So I have been lounging today, working, but lounging. I put one of my favorite sweatsuits on, which I've been had forever. I've been had it forever. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to sit here and be productive all day. Then, guess what happened? Mr. Carter said he needed help. So it is our time to shine. So we gonna go there. So I'm down here to help. Look at it. Mr. Carter. Hey. So what we doing? What we doing, Mr. Carter?
I mean, we're just about to slide this wall in place. You know, build the wall to the ground, and we want to slide it in place. So we're gonna slide it up. So I need your help. I need your strength.
You need me. You need my muscles.
Yeah.
Of course you do.
It's kind of tight.
And I mean, I keep telling you, you can also use my expertise because I definitely know how to frame out walls.
Yeah, I know.
But you know what? I'm gonna let you shine. You don't need me right now for that, but you need my muscles. So let's do this.
Let's go.
So I decided to speed up the part of us putting the wall into place. It was very heavy, much heavier than I thought it was going to be. And then it kept buckling because the portion to the left where Mr. Carter is, it kept coming apart because he had to make some special cuts over there. So it took us quite some time to get it up. And like I said, it was kind of heavy and he had to knock it into place. I celebrated a little bit, as you can see there. He had to knock it into place because it was a snug fit, which means it's done correctly. And then at the end, we gave each other a high five because I was tired. Okay, so let me bring y'all over here to get y'all closer so y'all can see exactly what Mr. Carter is doing. Since we needed the wall to be in place, and it's fit so tight, he is taking a 2x4, a spare piece, and using the sledgehammer to knock it into place. Now, the reason why he knows exactly where he needs to, how far back he needs to knock it is because, remember, he made the chalk lines before. That's the chalk line. And so he is using that as his guide so he can know how far he needs to go with the wall. And you done?
No, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get the top. I gotta, get the top square. I'll get the top, flush as well.
Gotcha. It's like something flying through the air. I guess there's dust.
Dust.
It is. Jeez, it's like snow in here. But one thing, while he gets his regular hammer, I want to show y'all one thing that he did that I think was really great. Now he's pushing it into place at the top as well. But as you can see, this pipe has to run through, and he made sure he measured for that and counted for that. Also, these are water lines, and he had to make sure he left space up there for the water lines and that as well. And that's why this one was coming apart over here, because he had to account for those water lines, which he said he's not worried about that coming apart, because if you know him like I know him, you know he gonna get that fixed. Even if it means going to Home Depot and buying a special tool.
I don't need no tool for that.
Just for that. You got everything you need.
Yeah, I got everything. I'm gonna just wait till the baby ain't sleep tonight, so I don't have to fire up that compressor and everything.
Yeah.
Cause then we'll nail it to the the floor joists, whatever floor joists we have, leave these.
Right.
But we'll
Y'all
do
get
that
a
tomorrow. It's just, we just wanted to get it up and get it more so in place, and then we'll get it, get on the chalk line, but then we'll make sure it is up there as well, you know?
And these, y'all see the floor joists he's
So
talking about?
we'll shoot it through there whenever we get everything snapped on these chalk lines, or lined up on these chalk lines up there.
So you got chalk lines up there too?
Yeah, bottom and top.
Bottom and top.
So you
I
get the
know
wall
y'all.
straight.
I guess y'all heard that. He got chalk lines at the bottom and the top.
She funny.
He is not to be played with.
She funny.
Y'all think it's a game? It ain't amateur hour over here. He know what he doing.
You know.
And he got good help.
Yeah, I do.
Well, I have earned my pay for the day.
Yeah. You've done a wonderful job. I appreciate your help.
Thank you. I appreciate
I'll
it.
get you back down here tomorrow.
Oh, I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. What time? What time you gonna need me? All right, I just use this as my workout. But for real, in all seriousness though, Mr. Carter, good job. That's really, really good how detailed you were with accounting for the pipes and those water lines up there. So kudos, buddy.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, y'all. So tomorrow we're doing something else. I don't know what that's going to be, but I'm game. Hopefully, he will use my skills. Okay, I do this for a living. Okay, I am an interior designer. Okay, not just any old interior designer, but I am hands-on. All right, so he knows that I know how to build walls. Okay, as a matter of fact, I framed our walls at our other house and doors too. But you know what? You know, you just gotta let them shine, let them get a shine on. I ain't hating. But however, whenever he say he need me, I'm gonna be ready. So, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.